Oh, hey there. What you said? Ah, you want another binary option robot? This one I made, Alpha 1 bot. You will have it. So, I will this Monday go for fast $1,000. Let's see how fast you can make $1,000 with my own robot. And if you want this robot, you find information below the video. Basically, the only thing I'm asking is that you use my affiliate link that you find below here, make one deposit, then send me an email, tell me how much you did deposit, and I send you the robot after. Simple as that. And you get 2 versions of the robot. So, also I have Academy. If you want to learn directly from me, Forex and binary option, and also learn how I'm running my robots. And if you want all my robots, there are direct links in all my videos at my Academy. So if you want that, join my Academy. It's $16 amount. You find a member button down there and also link in the description. So then let's start up the robot. Let's see how we do. just like that. $1,056 in matter of minutes this Monday morning. So if you want this robot, make sure you check below the video, and what can I say? Have a perfect day.